I will demonstrate how to embroider the eyes on an amigurumi with Chicky. The eyes are between the 3rd and 4th rounds, with about a 2 or 3 stitch gap, which depends on your tension. Let's begin by using the safety eyes to locate the eyes. Thread a black yarn. Now let's stick it through somewhere into the side of the body, and then come out from the stitch on the far right of the eye. Now remove the safety eye. Let's thread the yarn a little longer, like around 6 inches, that's for the other eye. This short horizontal line shows where the eye will be. Stick the needle through this stitch, and come out from this spot again. Pull it tight, and repeat it a few times until the eye looks just right to you. This will bring out some stuffing, just remove that. Now, when the eye looks good on the last go-around, it's time to sew up the next one. Stick the needle in from here. This time we're going to come out from the stitch on the far left side of the other eye. Pull it tight. Then go in the stitch next to it, and come out here. Pull it tight. Repeat this a few times. When it looks good in the final round, bring the needle out from where we started. Now we'll tie a knot, trim off, and use the needle to tuck the thread inside.